everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Bumblebee Transformer surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Bumblebee Transformer surprise fold, let's go ahead and fold our paper. You want to start by folding it in half, and when you do that, you want to line up the corners. Once you line them up, give them a nice fold right down the middle here. This way you have sort of like a little birthday card. Now the next step is to take your paper, let's fold in half one more time. Line up those corners, give it a nice fold. This way it kind of looks like a bookmark. Now when you open it up, you have these three little lines in here, and they serve as great little guidelines for when drawing the inside of your project. And you can open it this way, or you can open it this way. It's your choice. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Bumblebee's face. So we're going to go ahead and start right here, right along the fold, and we're going to make just a nice little straight line. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a little line right across here. Next we're going to make a line that comes up, and then we'll draw a little line that's going to come up right here. You can see each one went out at an angle. Next, let's take this and let's curve it up. And let's curve this one up, and you can see we're kind of curving in as well. Go ahead and draw a line straight across to connect these two lines. On the top, let's make a line that goes up, over, and down. And then go ahead and make another one right inside of here. On the side here, let's go out, down, and then in. Same thing here, let's go out, down, and in. We're going to make these little kind of horns that he has. So we're going to go up and bring it down. Same thing here, let's go up and bring it down. Now right across here, let's go ahead and make a straight line. We're going to make a nice little line right across here. We're going to go up at an angle on each side. Then we'll come in at an angle. Next, draw another line straight across to connect them. Starting here, we're going to go down and then in. Same thing here, down and then in. In the middle, we're going to make the nose. Very simple, we're just going to go down, over, and bring it back up for the nose. Over here, let's make a circle for Bumblebee's eye. We'll leave some space, and let's make another circle over here for the other eye. Right here, I'll make a little smiley face, and another one right underneath it for the lip. Now, underneath here, let's make the feet. So starting here below the fold, I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and up. We'll leave some space. We'll go down, over, and up again. Starting here, we're going to make a line straight across the bottom of the feet. We'll make a line that comes down, over, and up for a nice big square shape. Let's do that again. We're going to go down, over, and up. Right here, we're going to curve a line that comes down and over. Same thing here. Let's curve it down and bring it over. We're going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and up. And then same thing here, down, over, and up. Now the next step is we want to open this up and draw the inside. Now when we open this up, we have two halves of our little bumblebee transformer. We have the top and the bottom. So let's go ahead and add some details. Inside of here, for the neck, we're going to go down, we're going to come over, and then up. Starting here, we're going to go out at an angle. We'll do another one right here. Next, we're going to come down on each side. We'll go ahead and connect these with a nice straight line across. Down here, we're going to make two little lines that come down. We'll bring each line in at an angle. Next, we'll come straight across. Now, starting here with these lines, let's go ahead and bring this line straight up, and we'll bring this line straight up. Then we'll do the same thing with this. We'll bring this line up, and we'll go ahead and bring this line up to here, and I'm going to extend this out a little bit farther. Now, right across here, I'm going to make two lines, and then I'll make two lines over here as well. Now, let's make the arms. We're going to start right here. We'll make a line that's going to come out and then down. We'll do the same thing over here. We're going to go out and then down. We'll make these come down and in. Make these come down and then in. We're going to make lines that's going to go down, over, and then up. We'll do that same thing here. Go down, over, and up. We're going to go over and then down. Do the same thing here. We're going to go over and down. We'll bring this over, up, and connect. We'll bring this over, we'll go up, and then connect it. Now for the hands, we're going to go down, over, and then we'll go up just a little bit. Let's do that same thing here. We're going to go down, over, and up just a little bit. We'll bring this line in on each side. And then we're going to draw a line that comes down a little bit. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come straight up. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes down, almost through the middle of each arm. Then we'll make two lines that come across. Do that same thing here. We're going to make two lines that come across. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, over, and then down. And then we're going to bring these two lines up here as well. I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, up, and then over on each side here, kind of like a long, skinny rectangle. And then right here, we're going to make a line that goes over. And then we'll make a line that comes up on each side. And another little line that comes over. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down, and then one's going to do the same thing. We're just going to curve this down here. And right across this part here, let's draw a couple little lines on here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little transformer bumblebee. Now when you have this all closed up, you have the little bumblebee head with the feet, and then when you open it up, you have the full body like you just transformed. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.